Have we ever adjusted your jaw? All right, so there's no thrust, there's no quick moves. It's just kind of a traction maneuver, okay? Is that tender on this side? No. All right, let me have you slowly open your jaw. A little faster. Let's have you open for me. Real wide. Hold it open and close. One more time. Close. One more time and close. Good job. Alright, let's have you open and close. Open and open. Good. Alright, very good. Now after we adjust your jaw for the very first time, I don't want you to talk for 24 hours.